Skillweed Academy, break down the walls. In the heart of Africa, a flame ignites, a rhythm so vibrant, it sets minds alight. Skillweed Academy, where leaders are born. Embrace the tempo, let your dreams take storm. Rise up, leaders, let the beat guide your way. Unlock your potential, seize the day. From the dance floor to the boardroom, let your light shine, shine. Skillweed Academy, it's your time. Feel the drums pulsating, the energy so strong. Join the movement, where dreams belong. From Lagos to Nairobi, hear the call. Skillweed Academy, break down the walls. Rise up, leaders, let the beat guide your way. Unlock your potential, seize the day. From the dance floor to the boardroom, let your light shine, shine. Skillweed Academy, it's your time. Drums pulsating, the energy.
Welcome everybody. Let's go. Let's go. Welcome to AI and you. Let's see some of the trends out there. Hey, what's up? Owen in the house. Let Owen speak. Hey, what's up, sis? Hey, Taufik in the house. From the greatest city in the world. All right. Let's go, folks. What part of the world are we logging in from? Let's see. All right. Dallas, Texas in the house. Let's go. Okay. I see New York. Taufik always bragging. I love it. Maryland in the house. Let's go, Big D. Dallas in the house. Minnesota in the house. Let's go. Chicago in the house. Thank you, Balogun. Thank you today. Alex in the house. Cincinnati, Ohio. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Hertfordshire, UK in the house. Let's go. Thank you for staying late. Awesome job, folks. Love it. Toronto in the house. Let's go. Let's get over there for under 2 minutes and we'll get started. Let's go, folks. Thank you all. Atlanta in the house. All right. Canada in the house. Saskatchewan. Pardon me, I'll murder that name. Lagos, Nigeria in the house. Let's go. Lagos. Awesome. Alabama in the house. Awesome job. Hey, Maryland in the house. Let's go, Maryland. Let's give everybody under 2 minutes and we get started. Welcome in the house. Sweden in the house. Thank you. Texas in the house. Let's go. Home of the Super Bowl, Philadelphia. Okay, Pennsylvania. Hey, we are mad at you, folks. Let's go. It's now in the house. Houston in the house. Let's go. I love it. Nana said AI song playing there. Probably be one of our tools tonight also. Thank you, Lisa. Awesome. Toronto in the house. Love my Toronto folks. Awesome job. All right, New Hampshire, Lebanon in the house. Awesome. All right, final 2 minutes. This is 7:04. Final 1 minute. Kick in a minute. Thank you, everybody. Hey, what's up, Josephine? Thank you, everybody. Pearland in the house, Pearland, Texas. Awesome. We got God ready in the house. Daddy Mona in the house. We got God.
Feel the
Love it.
drums
That's our
pulsating, the
mantra for
energy
many
so
years. We got
strong.
God, folks. Let's go.
Join the
El Paso
movement
in the
where
house.
dreams belong. From Lagos to Nairobi, hear the call. Skillweed Academy, break down the walls.
All right. 30
In the
seconds
heart
to
of
go.
Africa, a flame ignites, a rhythm so vibrant. It sets minds alight. Skillweed Academy, where leaders are born. Embrace the tempo, let your dreams take stone. Rise up, leaders, let the beat guide your way. Unlock your potential, seize the day.
All right. Welcome, everybody. Let's go. Let's go. Great people. It's a pleasure and a delight to hang out with us tonight. The next 30 minutes, the goal is to make it one of the most eventful time of your day. There are many things you can be doing. You're hanging out with us. So big thank you, thank you, thank you, everybody. And it's always a delight. One thing we can agree on is if you are not part of this ecosystem, I'll challenge you, have an open mind and be adaptive. Our world has changed right in our front. And in case you're not aware, for most of us, 3 years ago changed everything. The game has changed, and we have no choice but to position ourselves well. The idea is that this is the first time in the history of mankind that a solopreneur, meaning a one man army, can be a billionaire. Yes, let me repeat again. This is coming from the founder of OpenAI and so many other folks. One person, historically, to be a $1 billion person, you have to build systems, processes, have a lot of staff working for you, compliance, a lot of stuff. In the first time in the history of mankind, they projected a solopreneur can be a billionaire based on using of a lot of AI tools out there. So I challenge every one of us today. We're going to embrace these solutions, these tools, and we promised 5 tools, but we added a few other ones just to kind of give you options. Now you might think this is not for you. You might think you don't have to really be involved in this ecosystem. But let me tell you one thing: if we don't position ourselves in this whole ecosystem right now, the challenge is we would lose relevancy so quick and sudden. It will be crazy. It's just the reality, really. And I'm sure some of you would agree with me. If you are running a business, one thing you typically would do would be blog writing. Blog writing historically in the past, your blog writers might take a week to write it, and you give them time, right? Or 3 days at the earliest, they write a blog for you. You post it, you do an SEO, and you do your normal thing. Ladies and gentlemen, guess what? The same blog you waited for 5 days, now you can do it in 5 minutes. So think for a second, even if you have emotion and you like your staff that are doing this function, after a while you realize, listen, man, you can't sustain paying someone doing what you can do in 5 minutes. Let's face it. So the challenge is this for every one of us: have an open mind, be ready, and be adaptive. Don't ever shy away from this new normal. Embrace it, have fun with it, and just be part of the ecosystem right now. Be part of that game, and let's learn together. So my commitment is once a month. We'll try and sift around some of those tools we've seen out there. Shout out to my Afro AI community. Yemi Salau, awesome, awesome job. He's doing a great job in that community. He keeps posting daily stuff there. I'll probably share his link later. It's just amazing what he's doing in that community. So I take a lot of some of their tools also to learn and just they keep me current too. So I challenge you just keep learning. So tonight we're going to learn a few tools out there. Some of you have seen some of them and I've shared a few of this with us. So let's just get into it. It's going to be working session. You have the documents also. I shared it earlier on. If you don't, we can always share it with you. It's going to be strictly just working session. So the first thing you're going to see here is something called Agent AI. Ladies and gentlemen, I played with this tool today and I was blown away, to be honest, because what this does is simple. If you have a business or you have a program like a class like ours, I can create an avatar of myself and also make it teach classes. It's crazy, but it's the reality. Then the second thing I've seen about it is you can also make it speak in different languages: Spanish, French, Arabic, different language. So you can imagine me myself, right? I train, mentor, teach, and suddenly you can see me in Spanish, speaking Spanish, speaking French, and everything looks so real. It is crazy and creepy at the same time. So the tool would allow you to create avatar, multi-language. Of course, it allows us to save time, create realistic images. So let me just show you real quick. We'll start with that one real quick. Again, today is just going to be fun. You'll see some of the tools. Some of them are already created, so I'll just share them and make you see what I noticed. So you can see it yourself and say, okay, whatever this tool is just crazy. So I'll share my screen a bit so you can see what it looks like. It's just crazy, really. And for those of us that are now aware of these tools, these are just some of those tools out there today that are just globally used. Um, and you'll be surprised people use it a lot. A lot of the YouTube you watch today, they are probably using some of those tools. You might not be aware, but you know they're using it also. So let me quickly log in so you can see what it looks like. Agenic AI. All right. So in my case, just feel free, log in also and just have a feel of it. I already created an avatar. So I'll just share that, and you can have an idea of what this looks like. Let me quickly share my screen to see it. So in my case, I'll share my screen. Okay. So I can see, okay, if you look at the screen right now, just amazing, really, folks. So you will notice here, all it needs is it gives you some credit. What I typically do, and I recommend you do the same thing, just go ahead and just have it, use the trial version. They always have a free version, just log in. In this case, you can actually go in and say, create an avatar. In my case, it's already created, but you will see what it entails. You can say, create your avatar here. Just come here, create your avatar. You have the paid version, you don't have to use that. I use the free version. It's my current plan, it's already there. So in your case, just go ahead and do the same thing. But let me show you what my avatar looks like. All right, let me quickly go back here. You see what my avatar looks like right now, and it's just so realistic and it's you know just crazy. But let's come here. So this is my avatar here. I click on it. You can, if I play it right now, you'll see while that guy is playing. The nice thing is that you can actually copy script into it and it will start speaking, in your own tone. Of course, there are some conditions. Make sure you have good lighting around you. Today I didn't, I was just playing around it. So, naturally to want to have very good lighting so that it would be realistic. So you can make sure you have white background, then, put good ring lights. So you can hear me talking. Now let me pause. All I did was I recorded myself and I just copied script. So you can come here and say, well, you know what? I want to, write a script and just put all the information here. And you'll see me reading it. Of course, I'm not going to use this one because I want it to be like a white background. I was testing it. So in your case, if you want to use it, make sure you use a white background and just go ahead and in that case use it because it will become something you'll keep using all the time. It's just amazing, really. I mean, I tried it and I love it. It's really good. I think it's good for someone that has so much to do. And I have a community that we read a lot. So I'm just thinking about it that it's gonna be probably I'll train my model to speak like me a lot so that I can record some of the books we read in our community. So instead of me manually reading all those books, I'll just make this AI avatar read the book and post it. And I think I'll prefer to hear my voice than someone else's voice reading the book. And it would adjust to all the pronunciation, the annotation, and everything just to make it very impactful. So I recommend it. Very, very amazing tool. So make sure you play around this one. This is a very, very good tool out there.